In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a message to yourself on WhatsApp. So if you want to chat yourself or send yourself a message on WhatsApp, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and save your phone number under your contact. So once you have your phone number added to your contact, then you're good to go. And make sure this is the phone number you registered with on WhatsApp. Once you're done, now head over to WhatsApp and head to new chats or chats here, or just compose a new chat. And if you go to a new chat, you'll see your contact first on the list here. So go ahead and tap on it. And now here, you can see these are messages I sent to myself. I can go ahead and compose more messages. And then if I send, no one else will receive, but I will receive these messages. And here we go. You can see they have come back to me. So that's how you can message yourself or chat with yourself on WhatsApp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.